Hello traders and good afternoon. Today is August 12th. Doing some post-market scans and I came across ticker symbol BOXL. Now this is a penny stock, so it's a very volatile stock and it definitely needs to be traded with some caution. However, just looking at the chart quickly on the 5-minute, I see on the intraday that we have a nice pattern forming here. So just to outline this for you, just in case you don't see it, I'm just going to grab my drawing tool here. Here we go. All right. So right here we have a nice triangle setting up. Nice symmetrical triangle. Here we go. All right, so for the most part, triangles are considered continuation patterns, meaning the overall trend in the time frame that the pattern forms. So if we're going to look at the daily over the year, if this is a downtrend, it does not apply right here. We're looking at the 5-minute, 5-day chart. So right now you can see the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA is definitely in a bullish trend. It is in a pretty obvious incline. And this shaded part right here, this is after market hours. So yes, it is important to look at pre-market and after-market hours. However, there's going to be some discrepancies with the price action. There's less volume. It's especially with a penny stock, it can move a little bit more. So if you don't mind, we can just actually avoid this out right here, and just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to back up this lovely little chart. All right, perfect. So this is just going to make it a little bit more clear for me to explain to you. So what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking for this continuation pattern to be breaking out to new highs. And when I say that is you're going to want confirmation. So the breakout is going to be a price action break of this top trend line, this top yellow trend line, pushing up to the upside. But we're going to also need an increase in volume while this is happening. Okay, so with the break in price action here and the increase in volume behind it, it's going to give us a good confident move, good confident bullish move. However, tomorrow morning, in the first few minutes of the day, do not enter this if you see these trend lines breaking. You're going to have to really be careful at opening bells because the price can move all around. I'd say give it a few minutes to let this pattern unfold, even though it's a very tight pattern, and this could break out instantly in the morning, and we might miss it. But it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, the next thing you might be looking at is where to take profits. Now, I'm a day trader, and this is a penny stock. I do not invest in penny stocks, and I do not recommend it unless it's going to be a gamble, all right? They're not the best investments for obvious reasons. I don't care anything about what the news says, all right, by the way. So from a technical standpoint, we see that this moved from $2 all the way up to $2.88. So it's a pretty good range, almost about $2 move. So if we do get a break of trend line right here, and let's measure it from the 250 because there's definitely some resistance right here as we can map it out right here. We got resistance, resistance, and this is pretty much, I know it popped up, but it fell back down, resistance, resistance. We're going to be looking at this breaking up past, I'm going to say past the 265 zone, and we're going to do a price target, first price target of 290 and a second price target of 320. All right, so we're looking at the break of the top trend line past 265 with a first price target of 290 and a second price target of 320. If you want to know how I got those numbers for price targets, definitely come and join our chat room. I can help break that down. We have a few videos that will also break it down a little bit more into detail. We also have an Instagram, tactical_traders, where we post our profit and loss every day. And we're also on StockTwits and Facebook. If you like this video, if it helped you out, if you found any value in it, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm new on YouTube, and it definitely makes me feel good and gives me some more motivation to put the time in and really map out these potential trades for y'all. All right, well, thank you very much, traders. Have a wonderful evening, and best of luck tomorrow during trading hours.